Micro-taxpayer ka ba? Kasi kung oo, may libreng option ka na dapat mong malaman. Under RR4 2026, qualified ka bilang micro-taxpayer kung ang gross sales mo for the year ay below 3 million pesos. Mixed income earner ka, yung business income mo lang ang bibilangin, hindi yung sweldo mo. Kailangan din na ang total liabilities o penalties mo ay hindi lumagpas sa 80,000 pesos para sa isang taxable year as of December 31, 2025. Covered dito, delinquent accounts, assessment, disputed man o hindi, pati open staff filer cases. Kahit nagsara na ang negosyo mo, okay lang, basta may natirang record ka. Hindi sure kung qualified ka? Send me a message. Tingnan natin together. Hi, I'm Wayne, your tax and accounting buddy with business growth and financial peace of mind.